Hi, I got a quick unboxing. Getting up here to get here today on a holiday. Let's see. I know what it is. My sponge filter order. I don't know what that noise was, but yeah. There it is. My double sponge filter I got. I don't know if you can see the brand, but the brand is on it. It says it goes up to 50 gallons. Or 55 gallons, whatever you want to call it.
And it's going in a 30-gallon.
Yeah, and it's going in my 30 gallon to help keep the water polished. Yeah, it says right there, I don't know if you can see it, up to 55 gallons. What's this? A gift for you. Okay. How did that work? I got ordered something from eBay, but it's Amazon.com on the thing. Okay. Okay, yeah. And I still gonna be waiting on the new Calico Bristol Nose female, because the one I got the other day, after I put in the tank, it died within an hour. So I contacted the seller, and he's gonna send me another one. He's been having some problems. But yeah, I should have another video up in a little bit of some new fish I got. So if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.